BestSub Heat Press Factory is located in Dongguan City, Guangdong Province, covering an area of around 4,000 square meters, with decades of experience in developing heat press machines for dye sublimation printing, HTV transfer printing, and DIY craft markets. Mainly manufacture mug presses, tumbler presses, flat heat presses, and multifunctional combo presses in different types of digital control models. Each step is well organized and the various types of equipment are zoned. The monthly production capacity reaches 10,000 sets of machines, all CE certified with a great quality warranty. We also provide customization services by personalizing colors and adding logos to the machines to help customers develop their brands. There's a strict quality control system, from every component to the machine frame for the whole production process. Each machine must pass the appearance inspection, power on test, heating test, printing quality test, anti-drop test, etc. before leaving our factory to ensure that our customers can receive the heat press machines in good condition. We follow strict qualification criteria and professional processes for each machine test, and we make every effort to address and resolve any problems that arise during the test. Every detail and performance of the machines are carefully checked and tested, and each machine is repeatedly tested on different types of materials and products to achieve the best possible sublimation results. We carry out strict packaging procedures, label the outer boxes and dust each machine before it is packed to ensure that it is in a new condition. Important components are packed individually to ensure the safety of the machine for shipping. We have also upgraded the machine packaging to increase the machine's resistance to risk. The machine storage space is neat, clean and orderly, with clearly defined areas to provide a good storage environment for the machines.